Hi all, in previous video we have seen about networks, advantage of network and its disadvantage. Now we will see the types of network. See, based on area coverage means distance between two computers, actual physical distance. इसके अकॉर्डिंग कंप्यूटर्स को नेटवर्क में अरेंज करते हैं. There are four categories of computer network. First is your LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN. सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क को. LAN. A LAN is a network of computing or communicating devices in a room, building or campus. It can cover an area of a few meters to a few kilometers in radius. LAN हम कब करते हैं? देखिए, जब डिस्टेंस, अगर हम ऐसा कहें कि जब डिस्टेंस अप टू 1 किलोमीटर हो बिटवीन टू डिवाइसेस, देन हम LAN यूज़ करेंगे. सपोज हियर there are my two devices, system 1 and system 2, and distance between these two devices is 1 kilometer. Then we can use local area network here. This may be a campus, a colony. Then in that case we will use local area network there to connect devices. Second type of network is metropolitan area network. A MAN is a network of computing or communicating devices within a city. It can cover an area of a few kilometers to a few hundred kilometers radius. A network of schools, banks or government offices, etc. within a city are example of MANs. We can take example of cable connection also. See, if we talking about metro city, then the radius of metro city is generally not more than up to 40 kilometers. So in that case, generally metropolitan area network is also work in the range of 40 kilometer radius. Cable TV connection is a best example of metropolitan area network. Now come to the third category of network. This is WAN, wide area network. A WAN is a network of computing or communicating devices crossing the limits of a city, country or continent. It can cover an area of over hundreds of kilometers radius. जैसा कि आपको पता है, ओवरसीज कनेक्शन के लिए जब डिस्टेंस बियॉन्ड किलोमीटर्स हो जाए, 200 किलोमीटर्स, 400 किलोमीटर्स, 1000 किलोमीटर्स, ओवरसीज कनेक्शन करना हो, then in that case we use wide area network. Internet is the best example of wide area network. Next type of network is personal area network. That this is your PAN. A PAN is a network of communicating devices, that is computer, phone, MP3, MP4 player, camera, etc. in the proximity of an individual. It can cover an area of a few meter radius. Generally जब डिस्टेंस अप टू 10 मीटर्स होता है, उस केस में हम PAN को यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, in our home also, if we are connecting two mobiles through Bluetooth, then this is the best example of personal area network. So in this part we have seen types of networks based on their area coverage. I am concluding this topic here. Take care, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.